true faith, real faith, authentic faith shows itself in tangible deeds and decisions and lifestyles. And let me just say this so that we can realize it's not about doing, it's about obeying. There's a difference. When I'm trapped in religion, I want to do things so that I get things. I want to do things so that I deserve things. I want to do things because I want to score points with God. This is not what I'm talking about. Real authentic faith is reacting, responding to what God said, because I revere Him, because I love Him, and because of His grace and His mercy, and I'm so grateful. And I do it without wanting anything except to honor Him with my obedience. So this is the question I should ask. Why do I obey when I obey? Is it to get something, or is it to honor God?